Now, you might be going through and calling somebody on FaceTime, and you might be seeing that there's actually a little F that kind of comes up when you're in the middle of a FaceTime call. Now, if we make our way over to our Photos application, this image actually came from this particular article, which was very nice, from TechRate or whatever. And you can see that within this specific FaceTime call, there's a little F that kind of came up right here. Now, what does that F actually mean? Now, this F actually pretty much stands for like focus or like focal, kind of getting a little blur effect on the background of this particular, photo or this, whatever FaceTime call you're in. Now, the reason why this is so cool is because when you actually enable it, it will actually go through and kind of blur out the background a little bit. So you can see that this is actually toggled on. It actually blurs out the background a little bit of your specific, camera. Now, this is actually a really, really cool thing. And the reason for that is because it actually goes through and gives you a little bit more of a focus on your particular face rather than showing everything around you. Now, this is particularly new in iOS 17. So if you're not on iOS 17, you probably won't see this feature, although your iPhone will automatically give you some sort of like focusing type of effect on your face. So if you're trying to figure out what this particular F means in the top left corner of your particular camera lens, that basically means that it's giving you the option of focusing on your particular phone. It's a very cool thing, and I'd recommend turning it on if you have that type of capability. If not, or if you don't really care about it, you can always disable it. You don't have to turn it on if you don't want to. But it doesn't affect battery life. It may affect a little bit, like if you're on very, very, very bad signal, you can possibly have like a little bit of a weird effect with it sometimes. But other than that, I think it's 100% worth turning on. And that's basically what that F kind of means. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.